Croeso I Gymru, welcome to Wales.
Sut ydych chi? Diolch yn fawr.
Now, a Liverpool lad, of course. But
of course.
Do you have any Welsh connections at all?
Well, my grandfather, my father was born in Mold, which is in North Wales, and that's about it, actually. I lived for a long time in a place called Penmachno, which is near Betws in North Wales, and we've just finished the summer season in Llandudno. The first time I came to South Wales was the Double Diamond in Cyfweliad. And that was marvellous, and since then we've played the Cardiff New Theatre, and here at St David's Hall, we played here twice. So we're really looking forward to coming back at Christmas. Of
course, you've done a lot of television, but I understand that your first love will always be the live theatre.
I like live theatre, and I think I always sort of bang the big drum for live entertainment, because I said that live entertainment is the best entertainment you can get. When you go to watch a live show, you don't just watch it, you're in it, you take part in it, you see. I think people will always go to see the show they want to see. If they know that somebody there who delivers, who will, and I try to exercise people's chuckle muscles. I think today, as always, people always want to laugh. They always want, people always want to have a good old belly laugh. So I deliver.
You believe there's a different humour in different parts of the British Isles?
I've got a giggle map. I have a giggle map. When I first started in 1954, I used to keep copious notebooks about how a different gag would go here, there, what they laughed at in Edinburgh, what they laughed at in Treorchy, and what they laughed at in Bournemouth and Brighton. And so I've developed this giggle map. South Wales humour is very, very zany, very wild. It's all this sort of, by Jove, ha, ha, when you think of all the history of South Wales humour, you had Welsh Rarebit, Ryan and Ronnie, Gladys Morgan, Harry Seacombe, Stan Stennett, you see? And so now, so you do this wild sort of comedy. You go, why do, ha, how tickled I, how tickled I was in Treorchy.
Ken Dodd, diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.
Diolch yn fawr. I can speak Welsh, I can do it. Dim parcio. Dim problem. Prestatyn.